January to 2026. Good morning guys. Time check na, mag-alas 12 na ng tanghali. Harito bumaba na kami ni Jaja, kasama namin yung baby namin. Oh, ayan yung baby namin oh. Tapos si Jaja. Dito kami sa baba ng Blacktown Hospital. At hinihintay namin yung Uber Eats delivery namin galing kay Blessy. Straight away from Perth. At syempre, ayan o, video call yung mga bata o.
So her nickname is Aya instead of Baby Raya.
Kausap ni Jaja yung mga bata. Nasa bahay sila.
Baby. It's Baby Aya.
Nakakunot yung noo niya.
Yeah. You're Ate Marty now.
Look at her face oh. Nakakunot.
Hi, Ate Marty.
Tara na, kain na tayo. Push mo yan. Dito na kami kakain ni Jaja sa baba. Ito yung aming food. Thanks, bless. Ayan, mama kulis na oh. Thank you, Blessy. Straight away from Perth for sponsoring our lunch. Oh, the best beef noodle soup in Sydney, Bless. Ooh. Siyempre, walang chopstick.
Wala. Sa taas. We have to eat upstairs.
I'm just gonna drink the soup. This. Alright, change plan. We're gonna eat upstairs. Wala kaming cutleries dito. Kaya mga makulis na bumalik kami dito sa room namin dahil nga yung delivery wala kaming cutlery. So ito, mas ma-enjoy kasi namin yung pagkain namin kapag may kutsara at saka tinidor. Syempre ito yung pagkain namin, beef noodle soup. Ito yung sabaw niya, nakaiwalay. Tapos crispy chicken noodles. Tapos syempre may mga hot and cold beverages din kami. So ayan, let's eat mga makulista. Let's eat. Tapos ayun naman si Jaja. Ayan, siya, nagbe-breastfeed siya. At tignan nyo naman nung view nung namin room namin ganda Ski, kain na tayo. Let's eat. Sarap, Ski.
Thanks, Bless.
Ano masasabi mo sa pagkain mo?
Sarap.
Mag-thank you ka sa kapatid mo.
Thank you nga ako eh. Love you. Bukas tayo naman Joke lang.
Ito yung view namin mga makulista. Ayan Ang ganda Andito kami sa 7th floor.
I have a question.
Anong question mo?
How do you find the birthing unit compared to with Zia from 11 years ago to today? Is there a difference?
Oo, malaki ang difference. Yung unang-una, yung facility ngayon dito brand new. Yung dati luma Yung dating yung mga weighing scale nila dati kay Zia ay manual, pero ngayon lahat automated na. Nandun na lahat, isang trolley lang. Andun na yung weighing scale, kompleto na lahat ang gamit. Tsaka yung room, ayan, naka-ensuite kami ngayon. Ayan nakikita nyo. Ensuite yung bed namin ngayon, solo namin. So malaki ang pagkakaiba in terms of facility. Pero yung services naman, same naman mula noon nung 11 years ago na pa rin. Provided lahat ng government, libre. Ang nawala lang ay yung baby bonus. Yung kay Zia noon, nakatanggap kami $10,000. Ngayon, wala nang baby bonus.
I think they bring something back. I don't know what it is.
Pero meron naman kaming Centerlink pa rin na makukuha sa baby. Hindi nga lang biglaan na $10,000. Ito every fortnightly makukuha natin.
You can request Yamsan.
Samsung din. So, ayun. Ano ba? Yun lang. Oh. O sige, nakakain na kami at nagugutom na ako. Sakit din yung ulo ko ngayon mga makulista. Puyat kasi. Alright mga makulista, at andito tayo ngayon kung saan naka-charge tong Tesla. At uuwi muna tayo. Iniiwan muna natin si Jaja sa Blacktown Hospital. Ayan, bali mga makulista, at uuwi muna tayo sa bahay. I-set up ko yung car seat ng new baby namin, si Raya, dito sa likod. Bago yung car seat, hindi ko pa binuksan. So unboxing natin pag uwi ko. Tapos magsha-shower din lang ako. Hindi pa ako naligo mula kahapon dahil nga nasa hospital na kami kahapon pa. At para ma-check ko na rin yung mga bata, si Zia, si Tali, tsaka si Isaiah. Naiwan sila sa bahay kasama si Mami. Ayan. So samahan nyo ako na i-set up yung car seat today. And then saka ako babalik sa Blacktown Hospital. Baka makauwi na kami ngayon. May uwi ko na rin yung baby namin. So far normal naman lahat. Yung tinest kanina, yung hearing niya, yung jaundice. So everything is normal. So I don't think there's a reason na mag-stay pa kami ng longer sa hospital. So hopefully makauwi na kami today. Ayan mga makulista, dito na ako sa bahay namin. At i-check ko anong ginagawa nito mga bata dito. Hello!
Where's the baby?
Where's the baby? Show
Where's the
me.
baby?
Oh my god, you're all excited looking for the baby.
Yeah, see? It's outside. It's the other way. It's outside.
There's no baby yet. I need to get the car seat, guys. How can I go home with the baby without the car seat? Still in the hospital. Come on. Excited ka sa baby, ah. Oh. Let's help me set up the car seat, guys.
Yeah, yes. You have to set up the car seat.
Oh, yan. Open.
Open.
Let's open the car seat.
Yes. The
Oh,
time.
I say, can you close the door, please?
Time.
So, ayan mga makulista. Ito yung baby car seat.
Yeah.
Bagong-bago yan at hindi pa namin binuksan. Tapos dito din yung prom ni baby.
Me and my
So-
toy son and Daddy is doing a party.
Okay, good.
That's for the baby.
Yeah, that's for the baby. Are you excited, ate?
Yeah.
Are you ate?
Yeah.
Ate Tali?
Yeah.
And you are kuya?
Poopy.
So, let's open the car seat, guys. Who's this? What's this for?
It's time.
A hair tie. Who is the ate?
Not the Zia.
Oh, watch out, watch out. Move. Step back. Step back. Ate is opening the car seat. Okay.
Okay, why do you have a
See ya, when you opening, remove, don't put your tali, step back. Don't put your hand there. Okay. Let's see.
Let's see. Is it big?
Let's see.
Okay.
Oh my goodness me. This is a 5-star rating car seat.
It's big.
5-star rating.
You poopy.
Let's set up, guys.
Finish.
Oh, lift it up. Let's lift it up. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Oh, let's put in the car. You ready, ate? Is it heavy? Oh, cut this first. Just cut this.
This?
Yeah, you need the scissors. You're going to break it. Need the scissors.
It's hard.
Yeah, it's hard. Oh, pull it out. I'll press. Because it's a safety lock, guys. Yan. And this one, you need the scissors, I think, for this one. No, 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 it's fine. Oh! I drop it. You let it go. Okay, let's go guys. Mga kulista, ito yung car seat na nabili namin nung Boxing Day. Nakasave kami ng $300 discount. Nabili namin ito ng $267. Ang original price ay nasa almost $700. Pero dahil nga Boxing Day sale ay nabili namin ng mas mura, kaya mas maganda dito sa Australia ay mamili tuwing Boxing Day. So, kabit na natin. Very safe siya ito. Compact na compact siya. Pang newborn talaga. Let's get it. Come on. What's that? What's that?
It's a man.
It's okay. So, ilalagay natin ito dahil newborn pa siya. Normally, ganito. Pero dahil newborn, ilalagay natin na ganito lang. Set up.
It's a cat.
Ganyan. Yan ang setup niya. Wow, makulista.
What's your stuff?
Kabit na natin. Ito, hindi na natin kailangan to. Aalisin ko na ito. Kasi meron naman ng hook dito. Sa test na. What happened? I told you kasi don't run. Ayun, nadapa si ano. Si Tali, nagasgas siya. Di ka naman kasi. Oh, look oh. Oh.
Do you like this
At
bike?
saka you don't have a sleeper.
Yeah. Didn't like this bike. Like this bike.
It's not set up properly. Okay? Wala kang chinelas oh. You need chinelas. Asa yung chinelas mo? Ha? Hmm? Hmm? Oh. Sige na, I will set up your baby sister car seat. Okay? Ayo ate? Ate Tali? She's so excited and happy na ano, ate siya. So ito, doon ka sa kabila siya. Adjust lang natin ito. Guys, no fighting please. Ayan. Facing. Asan yung lever? May lever to eh. Paano siya? I-adjust. Ayan, oh. Pipindutin mo lang ito. Para pag pinindot mo yan, may adjust mo siya kung anong posisyon. Yan. Ganyan, up. Pero dahil baby, newborn, so ganyan ang setup.
Wait, if are we gonna use this car for like family rides?
No,
Because
we're
if
gonna
we
use
are,
the big one. Because we're
How
not
am I
gonna
gonna
fit.
fit?
Ayan, yung hook dito siya, pakita mo. Ito. Yan. So, ganyan mga makulista. At tight naman na siya. Tapos itong seatbelt dito sa ilalim. Tapos dito. Dito sa amin sa Australia, bawal na walang car seat. Palagi kasing iniisip ng Australian government ay yung safety. Ayan. So everything is set up and ready para sa aming newborn baby. So hopefully ay makauwi na today yung baby namin, si Raya or Rere.
Raya.
Raya, ano man ang nickname?
Raya. Oh, Aya.
Aya, Raya, Rere, ano man ang nickname niya?
Raya.
Yun. So hanggang dyan lang mga makulista, at samahan nyo pa kami. Susubukan kong mag-upload ng mga video everyday about sa life dito sa Australia. So salamat sa pag-subscribe at panonood. Please share ang aming video. So bye for now.